me, you know. Everybody now gonna love you. But what me see, Bucket Boss, Jackson, come here. Of course, me a Bucket Boss. Jackson Pen, you call me Bucket Boss and you follow me. You saw me I tell you about Uno? You call me Bucket Boss. Me not even about to block up Jackson Pen. Cause you wanna me undercover fans. Don't block him, make him stay. Big up one Bucket Boss. Me not vex with that, cause me a Bucket Boss. Don't block him, moderator, make him stay there, so. Something have haters in your corner for watch your success and watch your strive on the pussy them. Don't block nobody, moderator, make them stay in the chat and talk. Something have to keep the haters them, because you have to keep them flowing to see your success. Don't block him, because he might call me Bucket Boss and he follow me. And that simple means, say, man that cover is a good fan of me. Leave him. Don't block him, leave him. You can't block the haters them. Moderator not block nobody this morning. When they give me the comment, them you pin them and me answer them and leave them. You understand me? You have to make the haters them say they strive and bounce and booming. You understand what me I say? The app is too one-sided. The app is very one-sided and it make no sense. You can't eat up on 4 people, so. One and few little people come out and we big up. Dan, big up yourself, respect. Dan, big up yourself, I respect you. I see you talk up for them. I see you talk up for Rosalie and whatever. Respect yourself, big up yourself, Dan. I want thing with you. Your talk will split justice. If we're wrong, I tell you so we're wrong and you talk the facts. Dan, big up yourself, miss. Me not call you no miss, because you probably nice age, you probably big up yourself, sister. Because I can't say miss, because you probably nice age. Don't big up yourself, because when you talk facts and true, you don't want a friend boy. You and the people not have to talk, you don't split justice, and that me like with you. And if you hate somebody, you are split justice. Big up yourself, Dan. One of the man there too, when me say I split justice, you talk about Rosalie. One man where we one man, I remember what his name. I did see him in one box. Him, big up him, and big up Yardy. What that man the name? Anybody know the man name? No, Roger, I'm done. You see Roger now. Roger speak facts and rights and truth and justice. Roger not care about nobody if you want like him. All if I'm me, all of me Roger bench and batty. All if I'm me wrong, Roger put me in my blood clot place and that me like with Roger. Roger not give a fuck if me and him want a friend. And Roger they tell me the things them. Roger not care. Roger put me in my place. Even if I don't know see me and Roger and scream, you know. Roger call me on my phone when he put me in my place, you know. And give it to me, you know. You know have to see me and Roger they play up and scream, you know. When Roger see me they go down the road and I go down journey, me go down, him call me and angle me, you know. Him call me and angle me. Yeah. When him see me and go down the party, when I go down, him call me and angle me. And that me I tell you no. Him call me and angle me. I say, Dyema, this not right, that not right. You have to do this, that. Him call me and angle me. Let me tell you no that. That's why I tell you no all the while. Say, when people have them friend, it's not about pleasing the fucking internet. You have your friend, you want to talk to your friend. You have your friend number, your scholar off the internet. But other people want people to please you know. You don't want people please on the internet and disgrace them friend and big down them friend. But here what happen no. Me don't care if you don't want to say me a leader and rose, go a leader and rose blood clot come. Me a stick my rose. And if me a rose go down in my well go rock so me could broke it. Cause uno couldn't tell me nothing. And me now make uno to please uno me come trace rose. Where? Talk about Dyema a good friend cause Dyema put rose pan bite back. We do listen to me tell you something I never know. We go on the bike, Rose go on the we do it for purpose. Cause we know no go meme Rose. Cause we don't shit on the Caan, yeah. And we don't Rose and have no content. A spite we do that for. We know no when go run with in the morning. We don't sit down and just say come go on the bike Rose cause a man they go meme you. And something we know. We know no when go do it. We didn't know no go do it. We don't do it for spite. Cause we know no go do it. Because we don't Rose and have no content. All of the cuss Rose big and stink and shape bad. Me see someone that talk about look cloud for Rose. Me can't look cloud for Rose. Me have my own name. Me have my own name and my own brand. Me have my own star in my own world. Me can't look no cloud for Rose. Rose not have no cloud when me want. Cause me and Dyema attitude. Not true me call lower me standard boy. Me no want no cloud for nobody. Nobody can give me no clout. Me build this a name of a foundation. Me a concrete in this year. Me no need no cloud for nobody. Me no need no cloud. Me have my own name, my own brand. Remember my born with my name. And my birth name that Dyema. Me no need no cloud. Me no need no cloud. Me not be power with nobody. Me can't power by myself. And me name Dyema attitude. Whether I don't like it, yes, not or no, I'm me name Dyema. Me don't need no cloth for a rose, no cloth at all. Me have my own name. Me build it for the ground. Me build it for the dirt. Nobody can take it away. Nobody can move me. I want to cost me go and cost me come. I want to talk say, oh, me I tear down my name. My name can't go nowhere. Nowhere at all, my name can't go. This concrete and firm. Me born with this, you know. Me don't need cloud for nobody at all. Me have my own cloud. Me have my own name. Me have my own a brand. Me is my own a brand. Me have my own a name. Whether I don't like me, yes, or don't like me, no. Because guess what, no. I just throw rose, make someone not beat me, no. Because no for no undercover love blood clot me. No for no undercover love watch me. But just because no claim so no eat one little girl. No claim so no eat one little girl. Me see how much girl over here will stay bad worse than Rose and don't live for them. But you don't eat the two boys them and don't eat Rose. You use their fret and beat me. And beat me. I mean now go walk away now. Can you see any position where God put me in? He put me there for a purpose. I mean now make sake of me walk away. You could have build video come. Kiki, all you. Kiki, you're retarded looking your handicap. When you come and talk about Dyema, Kiki, when you come and talk about Dyema, I don't pick that Dyema this and Dyema that and that. Kiki is a forward you all look. You want me girl, big up yourself, me girl. I knew you're coming and cussing nobody. You want Kiki, 12 even more be. So you don't see me deal with few business I want place, I want part. Kiki, big up a nice thin brown himself, me girl. Big up your look good self, me girl. Out. That's where you don't video this so. Big up yourself, me girl. One love. Big up, me girl. Big up. Big up, Kiki. Big up, me girl. Angle that. Angle that slim as. Brown look good, girl. Big up yourself, girl. I knew you were coming. I have no time for build no enemy, girl. Mwah. Big up, Kiki. Love. Big up yourself, me girl. Hold that and sit down with it now. You understand what I say? All I know where the eat up and we big up. The app so one-sided till when you me do one simple little repost to blood clot and no one them have made to pussy clot. And me no say nothing. And me see when Rosalie go up and bike back, everybody run out and trouble Rose. Everybody run out and make meme. Nobody no say nothing about it, but one little repost and them have me head do not eat me. But guess what no? Me no worry about the eat with it on the internet. We talk about in real life. You see, uno behind the camera and hate me, uno is an undercover, like I'm wicked. Because uno see one comment and say me all of my face stuff. I want to see me in a real life. Dyema, can I get a picture? Dyema, I'm a fan. And I'm like, okay. I take the blood clot picture, we don't know. Yeah. Simple like that. Thank you, baby. It's simple like that. All the uno way under the comment section about this me. As you know, see me in a real life. Oh, Dyema, how them say you all? Dyema, can I have a picture? And I'm like, of course. Simple, I'm gone. When people sit down behind their phone, then tend to type everything. The app can't one-sided so. What due to Caesar, give to Caesar. We don't, uno say, uno talk, say, the boy them not funny, the boy them not give joke, the boy them not boring, the boy them this, the boy them that. Everybody have them, everybody, you see, all of we on the app here, so, all of we have we fans them we love we, all of we have we different type of entertainment. Everybody entertain in separate ways. Right? You see, enough people like we and the boy them, because enough people say, them watch a little series and it carry them through all it. If a screenshot some text of people tell me say, boy, the series. When sometimes I figure it out, them not agree. Sometimes I figure it out, malice people say, Dyema, please fix it. We can't go on my bed. Dyema, we can't sleep. Please fix it. The most of them the text that when me get. Uno can't tell me say people no love we. That's why I now make sake of Uno. Uno we son eat we. Take it away. And find big up yourself too. You want youth. We always give me my fear truth. If me wrong, I tell me say me wrong. And if me right, just say me right. Big up yourself and point. Big up one man named Yardy. Big up Dan. The few little people we give you a little. We give you the rights what we forget. One of the man did the man. When the man name, we see the man pan live with one man named Yardy. This youth man has a talk about Rose, but me don't know my name. Why name? You see Destiny now? We can't really big up Destiny, you know. Cause come here, Destiny. This minute Destiny with the power side, you know. And next minute Destiny with Anglo way. So, but big up Destiny still. But you can't too put layer, you can't too layer egg in a Destiny basket, you know. Because Destiny will switch power with. Because myself still Destiny. I'm a boy still. When you read him class, but you know me love. Me not trouble him. For when him cool, him not trouble me. One time alone me a Destiny. To be fair still, a one time alone me a Destiny ever kick off still, you know. Him not really take no set for me or follow me up nor nothing. I tell you the truth, that was one little time, me and him have one look at me. Virtual boss, that man there. No, we not talk about Rosalie, brother. Rosalie, brother, him. I just, nobody care about Rosalie. We know about him. Virtual, the man name. The man there. Big up the man there. Virtual boss. You see that man there, pure facts, the man there speak. Dan. Me I talk about the people who are big way up, you know, because on everybody big way up. Me I big them up. Me I give them their respect. Me I give them their respect. Virtual, a man there. Yeah. A man there's a talk truth. You see Dan when Dan attack, Dan put him out of ground. You and Dan not have a friend. Dan no care. I remember say Dan is not a fan of Rosalie like that. And when Dan has split facts, Dan has split facts. And that me I tell you no. You understand me? And point is a man way. Everybody have them, let me tell you over here. You see over here, everybody have their flavor where they stick up fine. You see and point stick up for me. All the while, I say unpint stick up for me. And if me wrong, unpint, don't tell me say me wrong. Just like how you tell me in the box and he understand and he ready to tell me say me wrong. And me go in the box and make him know, say, alright, my boss, and I saw you go, and he say, alright, Dyema. Me sorry, me never know whatever, me respect him for that. Respect unpint. Landa with Dan, man. We have to put Lando in this. Landa with Dan, man. Lando love Rosalie going to bed. Not even me Lando no vine for. Lando vine for Rose. Lando love Rose gone to bed. Remember me, Lando born and grow, so that different. But Lando love Rose gone to bed. To bed. I feel me and Lando think different. Me not put it there, so you know me and Lando, like we are real brother and sister like that. Like, yeah. Me and Lando grow. But you see Lando love Rose gone to bed. Me I tell you. Me can't tell you that. And you nothing about Bella. Because this minute Bella bring me down. Me not use Bella. She Bella hypocrite. I don't really use Bella. Bella hypocrite. You don't follow Bella. Bella is a hypocrite. Bella two-side cutlass. Bella soon switch power. Bella can't vine for me. I look upon Bella. She a two-side cutlass. You hear me I tell you? I don't really look upon Bella. She a two-side cutlass. Me can't vine for Bella. So she a two-side cutlass. I look upon she. Bella two-side cutlass. Bella only work with the flow work with. Bella not real. Me can't tell Bella that in her face. Bella want woman to bring me down, go and bring me down, come and me can never put my trust in a Bella ever again. Because after me and Bella bring me down, go and bring me down, come and me and Bella reason Bella come back and try to style me. Me them the people I'm not work with. Bella only work for the media. Bella not real. Roger and Rosalie growing up. So no care when you see Roger and Rosalie keep the bucket, you no can't go between them. That's why I no care what. No care how Mr. Rosalie and Roger because I never go in at 8. I don't know who name Tamara, you know. I just talk about who me know. I don't know who name Tamara, you know. I always hear Tamara name though. I don't really know who name so. You know, so I don't really go on people page and them thing there. But I always hear Tamara name very real, but I don't really know who name so still. I know Baka's Caan I have the back too. I know Baka's Caan I get them. Yeah, one and few of Baka's Caan them hypocrite still. One and few of them. Yeah. One and few of the Baka's Caan them hypocrite, but most of them love me. But yeah, one and few of them like hypocrite. Let me see. Me see one and few Baka's Caan. Jinx are probably already. But more good night than bad. I don't really know her name Tamara, my baby. But me hear about Tamara. Do me? I hear Tamara name still, but me no know. I think Tamara come from Bacchus Canada. How Bacchus Canada Tamara come from? Oh, me hear Tamara name enough time for show. Me hear Tamara name enough time for show. We not talk about Toto and Rose friend. We are talk about random people on the app. We look forward, we give we right, so we forget. Remember, nobody not really pick up for we, you know. We have to stand up for ourselves, you know. Remember, they eat we like pies over here, you know. Me not tell like Prettidon is see when the people them shoot down blood clots, sky left your back. Prettidon they want to see you stand up and favor some little dirty little boy. You know, some little dirty little boy when they back at the class, when nobody not like a teacher put them on my backbench, it's sweet me all them shoot sky up. You don't get nothing, you fuck you. That's for sure somebody not like you. Where? Prettidon could make me not talk about shit. She want to work on class that not nothing to do with me. What Prettidon gonna tell me say, fuck out all the man, move down, man, fuck out him. See me with the book. Your bumbo wall, yo. Your pussy wall, see me with the book now. Careless, worthless, Dyema. You're this boy. This all class is careless blood clot, big man. If you can find something blood clot, no. Careless fuck up, big man. Go sit down. You take out that body boy then. Move your blood clot. So I'm shoot you, dog. Move. Move your blood clot. Where them shoot you, dog. So the people them angry sky say. People them angry sky say. You want to stand up like some dirty little boy. You could make me not talk about him. When he text it for him, blood clot, me ignore him. You want to see him. You know some little dirty little boy they back at the bench. Where teacher lick them with blood clot. Just put them back. And the class now work with him. See me no bad mind sky. You want to see him bad mind sky for the gift them. Bad mind they all over him. Stand up. Me say up with the foot brace back. Few of them little dirty long time back. They back. We come out in the gully. We just put on clothes. We don't know why blood clots favor. Go where? Bad mind a kill him when this is sky gift. Them a throw up. Bad mind to me say the people them anger sky I left in my back now. It's sweet me. Me say any army did see sky match. Me say two of me blood clad. Any army did see sky match. I go over there go throw a lion for your Prettidon. I look say me name see it. I when sky no blood clot like me. I rather sky 100 times over blood clot. You know why dirty Prettidon? Prettidon, you know why I rather sky 100 times over blood clot, yo? May you kick the bucket one time, I will sign Peace Street, yeah, may you good, you have me number, may you talk and everything. And just you want a little clout, you come over here and bring me down. Just you little clout, you diss me up. And me you sign Peace Treaty. Me you have me number, me have fear. We talk. The first video put out for me invite me come and me voice note and me say Prettidon. What make you make me go down back that road, yeah? You see you don't like Rose, you don't like Hakeem them because they said man for this and that. So that you're saying me never said that to Hakeem them yet, you know. Me never carry back to them. Me not even tell them say me talk to you and you say that. Me not say about nothing to them and now you know me keep it to myself, you know. And you say me say to you, say, Prettidon, you know, so sick white line, and this, me, I say, a wicked that and and everything. And yet still to blood clot. You put me name in a book and drug, me think you would have get like a kind. You see, so the people don't like you know. You see, so the blood clot people, them don't like you on the side, but I rather sky over you any blood clot there. Because me never talk to sky yet, and me don't know a blood clot sky. So anything what sky wants to say about me, fine. Me and you talk, have number extra every blood clot thing, sign Peace Treaty. Make Bible, and you still bring me down. You weak and looking blood clot, yo. You don't know. Just the little kinds. Me glad you take a 2 years, them and sister, the people, them don't blood clot like you. You run out for Hakeem and figure it out and think you're going to win on the back for your blood clot. Yo, the same blood clot internet I will hype up you and take your blood clot down. In less than a blood clot few. You don't know? Your blood clot, you kill a dead them like you. The people I'm sure so they rather sky over blood clot, yo. And you can't see the bad man in your blood clot, yeah. May you sign Peace Treaty and talk good. And just you feel like you want to little kind of come and disrespect me. And me call up before chat, before I go so far, you know. The first video Prettidon do for me voice no Prettidon, you know. And I say Prettidon, me don't tell you already say. People when people have my number and don't have something to say to me, you can call me and say it. The woman good on in a one long story and tell me, oh, Rosalie set up in life. all who set up in life all stead and call blood clot fat. Me never say it back to Rosalie, say figure it out Hakeem this and me never say it back to them. Ask them. Me never say it back to them because me not carry go bring come and me not make mischief. And me say to him say, and Dyema, you don't understand. Me say, okay, Prettidon, I understand, me leave it. Me think the woman are gonna arrest me. Me blood clot. This is the book. The book this. Bomba clot! Pussy clot all work this careless girl. You can't take up man. Careless blood clot, big woman. You don't know what to do. You're this big old blood clot wheel. You don't tell the Jordan wheel. And I saw she they pick up the blood clot book. And I saw she they fight the book. Think the people them like you. Your pussy hole you. The people them show you justice. Go on, come the book for me now. When you see that scream record here, you take up the book. When you take up the book, you go say, fuck out long term, big careless woman. Where can't breathe. Eh? Fight back your yard. You eat up with the man then. Careless girl. Suck your mother, careless Dyema. You are the sour power fat wheel. Suck on the mama. You are the two bottom. Eh. We tired of that. Burn up your book. Burn up your book. You have to put yourself in the book. Prettidon, you can't tell nobody about no breed. You can't tell nobody about no breed. Because Prettidon, you confuse the blood clot. Because this minute you turn blood clot, ling ling, and go suck good. Then you come out and ling ling and go back and Prettidon and go suck pussy. You can't say nobody bigger and worthless. Because your mama careless more than me. Because your mama careless to bring you on blood clot like with a confused. Bring you on like with a confused blood clot gender. You can't take no sense for me, Prettidon. I choose sometimes I feel like you ignore your blood clot. Prettidon, you see you like trouble people, you know. And when things get serious, you run to police station and Prettidon. Remember, so you stay, you know. That's why sometimes I don't really pay on no mind because you're an idiot. You're a blood clot idiot. You are idiot. Because I see one time you catch up on blood clot internet and you're going to report me to police. Because you're an idiot. You just love pit up on the phone screen and pit up your book. Me know you're an idiot. That's why sometimes I don't pay no mind. I don't pay no mind. I see why they come on the screen with the sky. Me just jump and run. Come here and say, watch ya. Me not in the mood, you know. Me gone. Me not care. Me say, me rather sky over your any day pussy. Well, I know why. Me not know Sky for Adam versus blood clot Eve. So anything what Sky wants to say about me, Sky can't say it because I don't know Sky. You pussy hole. You pussy hole. Me don't have nothing of blood clot at all. Hey, just get up out of the blues one blood clot. Cause me I call me careless. Prettidon, your mama careless more than me. Your mama careless more than me if you fuck and care up and you can't give my grand blood clot, baby. I 5 pit my mother up. If me can blood clot breed, me all of my sister and my brother breed out in longitude and in attitude already. And you go make your mother blood clot proud boy. And make up my mind if you're ling or if you're Prettidon. Move your suck cocky, suck pussy, blood clot in a one. Move your Satan demonic pussy hole and go. You know nobody. You can't call nobody careless. No suck pussy girl and suck cocky girl can't call me careless. You don't know what to suck. You don't know what kind of life you want to live. This means you're ling and suck good. Next means you're Prettidon and suck pussy. Make up your blood clot mind. I wish you know we big and careless and confused. You can't bring baby argument to me. Prettidon, you don't know you have a kind of blood clot gender. Prettidon, you don't know what you have on your foot. You don't know if you have a pussy or you have a blood clot cocky. You're confused. You're miserable. You're miserable, no blood clot. No take no set for me. And your mama blood clot careless more than blood clot me if you bring up all and confuse you. You worry about me. Every day you get up and blood clot me. Prettidon, you're not supposed to cuss nobody. Because you're under blood clot rainbow flags. Prettidon, you're a disgrace to rainbow community in a blood clot. You don't have to call nobody bad. You don't have to discriminate no blood clot body. Because you is a disgrace to rainbow flags. You is a disgrace to the community. The community hate you. Then despise you. I choose sometimes they can't blood clot the better than they pass scream with you. Yeah, all the gear like. You is a disgrace to the rainbow blood clot flags. You is a unscrupulous pussy hole. You is a T-Mobile drunk. I mean, I really want to come and get blood clot with Prettidon. I say young street and take a charge feed. Any young boy me want fuck it up to me. If me want them mag and me don't have pie me out it up to me. Fuck up my longitude. Fuck me, pay me and forgot me. Me no want a young boy want me. Me just a fuck me all whole and live life and enjoy blood clot life. And if me want fuck me up to me, who not supposed to make it bad down on a blood clot. Cause every girl pan land about the fuck. Cause the whole of the boy them pink nowadays. So me no know why the blood clot. Everything when me do affect Uno. Eh? I me do if I buy my whole as Zentel. Me take a worm out. And call it a blood clot there. Cause the world no blood clot level. A whole heap of boy live in a house with them blood clot woman and a fuck back. One on a blood clot gay. I don't want pin people, you know look good. When you now get blood clot cause you claim say every day cause the man them say them a blood clot. And you're in the community. So why you they try for blood clot bring out people in a community? Prettidon move your confused gender pussy hole and go. Every day you sit down on the pan, you don't have no topic to go up on Prettidon. Prettidon, you need to go put yourself on a blood clot table and get 2 body and 2 hips. You want me send you a luxury doll? Prettidon, what you need to go do? You need to go over blood clot luxury doll. Make them say that Manica go rest 2 hips for your side, a body and little breast, and change your face features. That you need to go do. Cause no gender now work with you. Man gender now work with you because no girl no want you. No girl no want you because them see your mouth and get gingivitis in a pussy. No girl no want you. And when you turn ling no man no blood clot want you. So what you need to do, you need to give me a link. I remember me like that. You need to give me a link. Because I no black you, you know. Me no black you. So you need to give me a link. Let me give you a link to Luxury to Dominica. Make them rest 2 hip and a body. And give you a blood clot face futures. And you cream out your blood clot, you're arrested in a week. Because when you arrest a week, you're going to look 3 bad. That's what you need to go do. Because right now at this point, nothing now work for you. Prettidon now work for you, Ling now blood clot work for you. You're miserable and can blood clot fuse. You know, so the people I'm sure you clearly say, them not like you last night. For your big blood clot birthday. The people them shoot sky and look for you. You shame like a dog. You look like one of them long time pitbull blood clot tall margadong dog where they one of them blood clot feed. No man, I come out for you Prettidon because you love text it from you know why I come out for you stronger than everybody else Prettidon? Because me sign blood clot peace treaty. See us when I see that screen record you're so cold. Eat all. Justice for who that eat all. Yes, when I see that screen record, I grab a book and grab a book, you know. Fuck out, kill this big man! Why you chop round the bandit? Why do this and do that? Can't breathe, big man! No, to kill this big man. Why you shot with the star power? Do this. I fear you and put up the blood clot book. Move. The people them clearly show you say there's nobody on the app. The people don't want to see you dirty girl. You try cancer rose, you cancer yourself last night. You know, see you cancer your own blood clot. The people them show you up no blood clot. And your tripper then come. And you never have the tripper and the 2 look 1 gig up on the tripper. You that shit, the people them show you say you're a dog. You cancer your own self. You talk too much. You're too blood clot enough. Every day you cost the big wheel, the big agon shape bad. Every day Rosalie a big wheel and bigger than Rosalie shape bad and Rosalie a drunk and dog and cranny. Every day you cost figure it out and acting man. Every day you cost me say me ugly and walk man and fuck me. And I see it? Where you dey reach? You even can't catch podium. A blood clot. You even can't pass 100 kinds good. Suck good. Eat whole. Suck good. Eat whole. Bite a judge. Mass blood clot eat on. Use my teeth and shift my jaws and shift my breath. And me a talk to. And me a blood clot come out dirty Prettidon. Shift my teeth, shift my jaws. And me a come out. Shift my breath, shift my jaws. And me a come out. Because when I ready shift underpants and shift jaws. Shift me. And me a come out. You know no blood clot secret for me. Suck cocky Prettidon. Suck pussy Prettidon. You no secret for me. Baby now blood clot. A young boy fit me clothes and shoes. And magadong. A young boy fit me clothes and shoes. Magadong fit me. I now look for you Prettidon. I will make some oats porridge because I'm on a lamp pile right now. Yeah. You don't have nothing to tell blood clot, me say. Nothing have to tell me say. Me no care one who want come, me no care one who want. Me no business one who want say I don't care that now nothing for blood clot do with me. Nobody now no closet again. Nobody now no secret. Every blood clot, you know the pump down blood clot that. Nobody now no closet for me. Nobody now no secret for blood clot me. And then at the end of the day, a pussy me carry, you know. And a bottom. At the end of the blood clot there. So if me man fuck me, me don't know what make it the bad, you know. Cause for me know myself. My mother never will out my pussy in nobody yet. So no can't tell me how to angle my pussy. Say me want if you shit in and shit out. No supposed to have no problem with it, you know. All I have to do Prettidon, long out your blood clot tongue. And me come rest, me crotches pan. You clean out the shit out like drunk crow. That's all. Prettidon me not to no lie around. Me feel like my operation shit. Me just wake up and drink the Colasco. Up me your mouth and say, let me go so bragada in it. Move your blood clot. Me never trouble you. Every day you get up and sit down for my blood clot name. I like you have secret for me. Pretend you have secret for me. Pretend you not no secret for me. Me never suck none of your girl and pussy yet. You not no blood clot secret for me. You wanna go tell me say me face tough and all of me maga? Me a old man, you know. Me not go stay young and sexy for blood clot river. Me a big woman in a blood clot age. When you go in that age, weight I go last, everything I go last. And if I the man they make me last weight, that not nothing to do with me. But still I enjoy life, no blood clot. You don't really have nothing to do with blood clot me. Weight comes and weight, blood clot goes. If me want me body if big, me go over that man, I go rest some on it. And if me want weight, me go rest and me go put fat on my skin. Anything I win a bar we buy, serve! Sell me little blood clot weight. I'm only run blood clot things, my love, and name. Anything I'm in a bar, we go buy it at shop. Serve! Sell me some fat. Serve! Sell me some body. Serve! Sell me good wall. Serve! Sell me face. Everything I sell at shop, right? Blood clot now. Everything I sell at shop. A modern time. A modern time. Every blood clot thing I sell at shop, my love. I get them 10 wheeler yourself. Too much I know about yourself, I mean, I'm not change the game, you know. Blood clot, man. Every day you get up, you get up, you come. We don't have a, if we not sit in the blood clot, yam. We don't have a topic, no blood clot. Jamie want me tripod, me and fight to keep up, make me something. Eh? If we don't, me say, hey, we don't go to content, we not nothing for blood clot talk about. We not dumb and silent. A regular me sister, we not go to no content. We not compare all much India, we not go to nothing for run. We do not silent like dog. They don't know say we not entertaining. So uno blood clot entertaining. Uno entertaining. Uno entertaining. One entertaining for. To run out every day and talk about me have files for this and me have files for that. Uno entertaining? Tell me. What kind of entertainment uno bring to the table? Let me know. Let me know. Because I want to say Rose back big like we are on a fence run this Rose entertaining too, no. Bumbo clock, me general. One top ball in the building. I'm a nice in Jamaica ball like this, you know. Me have a good people that me love me. Me have a good people that me love me. Powell! Big up yourself, good khaki. Stay food. Big up yourself, good old, good old, good old. Big up yourself, good old. Top baller. Big up yourself, Powell. I'm a nice clean top Jamaica ball like this, you know. One AP on the app. I'm a good people that love me. I don't look for who no careless people. Big up yourself, good old. Thank you very much, good old. Big up yourself, Powell, AP. Big up yourself. A nice clean ball like this. Big top superstar this. I look for who no dirty people come. Every day you talk about people that entertain. Who no entertaining? We want to bring to the blood clot table. Mix up and blood clot drama. No fun. Mix up and blood clot drama. Every day you ask somebody that if you pull. Every day you ask somebody file for blood clot pull. Every day this and that. That entertainment. That a blood clot entertainment. Make me know. Make me blood clot know. If Rose come and bite back with you, you would have no balloon something fi have look something to do. And a purpose Rose go for the bite back for, because Rose know no go meme her. As something we sit down and plan, we know no go meme Rose, we know that. Because if we not shit on the can, employee of the month. As a Libra thank you, my baby. We can't get them 10 wheel here. 3.7K what a girl sit down for me steep like a cocky. Pure hypocrite over here. More of them wheel out left my place. More end the life. Pure hypocrite girl over here. Burger, my baby, thanks. I'm telling you something. You see the fantastic blood clot form. I don't know who give me the name there. We solid as a blood clot rock. And if God forbid tomorrow morning we may mash up. We not gonna bring down each other. We're gonna always have each other blood clot back. I don't care who wanna come with, me and Rose now go run. Because we back always brace spoon of blood clot. Don't care who wanna come with, wanna son go drop or wanna not go drop. We brace anything wanna come with. We don't care if the Rose blood clot back big so I feel like so don't come with no fall. Maga as my blood clot me by back firm too. So anything wanna come with, you go stand to it and salute to it like a blood clot soldier of the army. Uno can't break we. Uno cannot break we. Stand on the babies. Uno can't break we. United we stand, divided we fall. We firm in this. We tell them say the strongest soldier get the hardest fight. And the realest people live the hardest life. Uno can't break we. Any break before we are break up. We have to break up by our own ourselves and throw it down by our own ourselves. And if we are break up and throw it down, we not gonna know we are break up behind closed door. And it not gonna work. Cause we not get no winnings, boy, or blood clot. No winnings we not get. Uno two look a bit are you ready and careless. Uno not like the unity, uno not like the love. Move on the blood clot and go. Plead my cause, oh Lord, with them that strive with me. Fight against the whole I dirty nigga them that fight against me. I got me say, you know, me only loud. Remember that, you can't break me. So you come and chat up on them, I just look for you. I just look for you. Remember me telling you that. I just look for somehow, you. Yeah? I look for somehow, you. When not chat up on them mouth. Just look for somehow, you. Remember that. Just look for somehow and chat up on the mouth. Yeah, anytime you don't want content, you come call me name. Anytime you don't want content, you come call me name. You don't have to call a Fantastic Four name for content. I want to say we not hot. You know say we boring. You know say we boring and you know keep us trending. How the fuck we boring and you keep us trending? We trend every week. Every week we trend on the FYP. So why we boring now and still keep we trending? Make it make sense. Make it make sense. When you see a screen recorder now, you can't cuss me and say, go dirty old man, tough face old girl, go sit down old girl, move your blood clot, your pussy shit up. We're tired of that now. We're tired of that. We're tired of blood clot that. That don't make no sense. Cause half of we in the world right now, pussy shit up. Half of we in the world right now, pussy shit up. Half of we in the world right now, pussy shit up. Cause the man them pink. A few blood clot man we have left right now. A few man we left right now. How much man live in a house with woman and picnic and everybody and blood clot them. So half of we in the world right now, pussy shit. Come on and start that right now. That is common a blood clot start right now. The world change. Right now Jamaica don't overphobic no more. Me not ask you no. Jamaica don't overphobic no more. Me not ask Christ and no disciples. So when you not come about shit up pussy girl and this and that, me not look for you. I mean name bucket boss. I one bucket boss for the blood clot up on a Dyema. One blood clot bucket boss and a me. One bucket blood clot boss and a me. One bucket blood clot boss. If you don't like it, you don't set on the air, I'm shitting bucket and duck no blood clot. One bucket boss, boy, and a blood clot. One boy, you could have talked to no dead in a blood clot. You could have cried. One bucket boss. Take a picture. You want a picture? Let me post for you now. You like it now? Ooh. You like this? One bucket boss, no blood clot. One. Yeah, man. One bucket boss. Come on, get to the picture then we put in the comment section. Ready? Here we get a picture for yours. Here me get that. I'm in a pose good. Here me. Here me, I know I'm pose good. But here me there. Here me get that. Come. You want a picture? Let me pose for you now. You like it now? You like this one? I'm going to an ugly one too. Come. Let me go to an ugly one. Ready? Move on a blood clot. Uno can't tell me nothing for me. Uno can't tell me nothing for make me feel less than my blood clot should. Uno can't tell me nothing for make me feel less than me should. Eh? Uno can't tell me nothing for make me feel less than my blood clot should. Why? Where we live in a blood, where we all live in a blood clot world of hatred. Eh? Uno can't tell me nothing for make me feel bad. But I know there. Some bucket me use you. Cause figure it out on my tripod. Uno can't tell me nothing for me feel bad. When, where and how? When? Eh? For your blood clot influencer, your content creator, you have to face backlash. I look for Uno. One time you used to worry and afraid when you used to beat me. When you used to beat me, me used to feel away. Me blood clot right now when you beat me. Sometimes I go in some comment section and soon I laugh your blood clot. Kupa Uno too. Kupa Uno too. Uno at boya. Uno no name boya. Eh? Government know some of Uno. Some of Uno government no know Uno blood clot. And you no know Uno. And you no know some of Uno. I want to say on content creator and you no know Uno. I one bucket bass badness pan the blood clot app. I ask you. One bucket bass. I ask Christ. A 3.8K, what a big hole over here. What a hypocrite. You can't leave my place. You know, my good people them stay. Someone can leave my place. Screen recording page. Screen record this. Shit in a stomach. Yes, man. Eat on your blood clot. You can't leave my place, you know. Me have 10 real person, me get them and go on. Pure hypocrites around me over here, so. Pure hypocrite, pure judgment, pure hypocrite, pure slime bag, pure fly. You know, see a Christmas a come. Get on yourself a Christmas blood clot tree. Get on yourself a man. Get on yourself some pyjama. At times, it's the time of the year for us to live blood clot loving. Pure shit house over here. Pure shit house. Ain't getting yourself a Christmas tree, man. Getting yourself some present. See it there? See it there? My nice clean fans them. See that 3 blood clot soak I got pick up at airport. 3 soak I got pick up at airport yesterday. I don't fly me a fly out. I don't fly me a fly out. 3 soak I got pick up at airport yesterday. Who do Christmas things them? Fantastic 4. See there? And every day on the 8 power. See there? I go pick them up yesterday. I go pick them up in the blood clot. Eh? I straight for half of the blood clot ice. See there? You can't eat up away. Can't eat up away. We not look for you know. Yeah man, 10 wheel yeah, some babies them tank you know. See there? You can't always talk when you want to talk. Say. We not look for you know. Because when you feel like people eat with people love we. Well, we nice big woman them love we boy, you know. The big woman them love we no blood clot. And big up sugar daddy them about the place, yes so. And big up all of my gifters them. This is them big up yourself. All of my gifters them, all I want to big up on yourself. Big up on yourself. Big up all of the girl them for bad figure it out place. Big up the girl them. I want to know. Eh? The more I want to eat, the more people love with. The more I eat, the more people love with. Remember me telling you that. Yeah? See ya? Half of the blood clot ice is pumped. Straight half of the ice is pumped. Straight half of the ice. Look on this. Christmas tree 2025. Straight half of the blood clot ice. And me go pick them up at airport. You know how far me go pick up them, yeah? 3 blood clots. Okay, so we not travel. Where people send for we. Yeah? Where people send for we. So you can't go and eat up and we. Because who God bless, no man curse. Uno no have no powers. If you talk about uno can't take we down for you, so God will say. Uno have to take down on yourself first. No powers. Nice clean ball of respect and big up. 5 more wheel as such at. Uno no powers. No powers, but no powers. But to no eat. I don't name God. I know what you see how God say. People love us. You see Rosalie a ball out in trauma. And a gimmick someone a talk about. Oh, the behavior and Ray and Dyema and all this and that. What the blood clot me can do? Eh? What the woman fi do again? Tell me. Everything gonna laugh, but everything. Everybody are there ups and down. Everybody are there rainy day. Rosalie, no worry yourself. Anything you see in a life, Rose in a life. When I see people, you see Rose, I see that fight you where you get. You go see how your life go turn around. You go see how your life go turn around. Remember, you know, God don't make nobody get successful unless you fight for it. God doesn't show you the fears of fighting to excellency. You hear, Rose? You couldn't get Rose, you can't get up and rich, so. Normal, Rose. You have to fight the fight, Rose. You have to fight the fight. God knew how to make you fight and struggle, so. God knew how I have in store for you. You can't get up and just rich, so, Rose. You have to fight the fight. You have to face the struggles. You have to just firm, sister, and butter it out and shame the pussy them. You have to just stay firm, Rose. God no give you the big back for nothing, you know. God give you the big back for something, Rose. You don't just have the big back saying, Rose. You see that big back that we get? I embrace you. I tell your friend. Yeah? Rose, you can't go to success if you don't fight the fight. You have to fight the fight. Anything else is something good that come to you in a life, God make you have to fight the fight. Rose, you have to fight the fight. Rose, you have to just firm, my sister, and hold it. Can you see? When fear success come, the pussy them are going to shame. I just saw you go, Rose. Just hold it like a G. Hold it like a G, my sister. I just fear struggles this. Excellence and greatness are come, Rose. Yeah, I tell you, Rose, me see things, you know. I just show more why me cuss too much bad with that church me for going. I see things before things happen enough time, you know. I show me cuss too much. More why me God no give me in 100% powers. You hear? A greatness and excellence are come away. I tell her, Rose. Rose, you don't get the big back for nothing. God couldn't make a share, but no, Rose. Rose, you're too feisty. Come here. Rose, you're too feisty and full of yourself. Nobody can control you. Nobody can run your mind. When you think say God no give you a nice shape. Because Rose, you are a nice girl, you know. Rose, you have face, you know. Rose, you have face. God couldn't give you everything. Because if you're so blood-clad feisty you know, poor God will give you everything, friend. You gotta step on them. God know what I'm going to do, friend. Ease yourself. Just fight your fight. Wall out your struggles. Just wall out it. Wall out, my sister. Greatness the head. I tell you. You don't listen to them. You don't care what they want to say. Greatness their head. Me, I tell you that. Greatness their head. Yeah? Greatness their head. You see that fight where you get? First of all, you see fight where you get? Rose, me, I tell you, no. Greatness. Greatness today. Me, I tell you, go shame the pussy them. You see? All me, I tell you, no, Rose. Remember, you know, next year, you know. Next year, them same time, same place, you know. All blood clot talk. So you have sour power, you have and all of this, you know. Watch! Watch! God make them take back them talk. Remember me, that I tell you, you know. You go always up and want to scream because they go find you know. Remember, you know. Remember, I will about take back them talk, you know. Remember me tell you, friend. So if you feel like you come on here and cry, cry. 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 Everybody have them ups. Everybody have them down. I feel a moment I down, I feel a moment I'm maga. Remember we have a segment them, you know. Everybody have them good segment. Everybody have them up segment, I have a down segment. I feel a segment I know if you cry and I my segment for maga. Go just hold it. Hold it firm. All we do, we just hold each other hand. I will trod it through the rough and rocky part. I will trod it go. I will go trod it, you know. I will go trod it in Jesus' name, Rose. I will go trod it together. Remember we telling I will go trod it. I will go trod it. I will go firm. I will go face reality. I will go take anything of true at us. We're gonna make it. Yeah, man. We're gonna make it. Me just know. I just feel with time now. We have to face the struggles. We have to face, remember saying no, we have to face backlash, criticism. Remember when Jesus, when they died on the cross, you know. Remember then class, Jesus going up. Remember then class, Jesus coming up. Remember they put Jesus in between two teeth, you know. You forgot? You forgot, sister? Remember then rest Jesus in between two teeth in boy. Remember then class, Jesus go cross him, come and crucify him. Bring him down, rest him in between two teeth in boy, you know. Remember? Try remember that. They fling board on him back. They nail up his head with the bag wire. Them do him all these things. They fling in between two teeth. Okay. Remember Judas? Yeah. Hey. You don't worry about that, sister. Anything you feel like you come by, you want ball, you ball. If you feel like the internet is your comfort friend, you use it as anything what is your comfort friend, anything you're comfortable with, you use it. If at the internet is your comfort friend, you use your comfort anywhere you want to use your comfort. Anywhere your comfort lie, you use it. So don't come beat me now. Cause you see uno on the internet, uno go like uno perfect. And majority uno where they bring how much uno over here when me say a big non rose. When uno give you blood clot pitney yesterday so all about. I choose sometimes I wanna know if uno business. And someone know they comment on page. Someone the fuck all if you put them in a toilet and run left them. I don't choose someone sometimes we don't know who someone wanna behind the page and they comment, we don't know uno. I don't want to give uno pitney. I don't want to make uno man them sex off uno pitney them. I don't choose sometimes we don't know the background and the backstory and the moral. I don't want to fuck and breathe and get the people and leave them in hospital. No for uno, where they go like uno a good mother. No for uno come back and talk about Dyema can't breathe and uno a good mother. How much uno left on the pit in the house, go dance, that could be pitting them with beverage and go dance and go look for man. No for uno where they are so. I true we now see someone where they behind the screen and chat up on the stinking mouth. Cause no for uno where they try to bring down rose and go like, no for uno where they go like uno can't come talk about pitney. Uno no mother rebel. No for uno girl they talk about Dyema if you go breathe. Me more mother than uno. Cause no for uno no mother blood clot. Uno not baby representative, no for uno. Uno just want to talk about baby, no for uno baby representative, no time. Man, I want to talk some things, you know, cause me don't, me can't pronounce word. No for uno come chat up on the mouth. Uno careless. Careless like dog. Uno care 100 man run on a pit in a blood clot. We don't care all about pitney. Sad that all these people run on the pitney. I wanna come talk about Rose. How much I wanna pitney fuck man in front of the pitney, suckled in front of the blood clot pitney. Fuck on the bedside on the pitney. Carry all kind of man on no man for Adams on the left man on the blood clot pitney. And I talk about Rose. I choose sometimes someone they behind some page and people don't know who knows want comment and talk some things. I choose TikTok start make someone who can go live. Who know what to forward. Who have to click live. Even though figure it out Dyema and blood clot Rose don't feel good. Who can't get a forward over here. Who have to have a topic about blood clot. We fantastic blood clot 4. We living on the head rent blood clot free. Rent free. Rent free. Call up all the girl what they have come and talk about me and Moby. Me don't know that girl, you know? Me don't know the girl. And the girl in the box are convince the people them. Oh, a 3-month Dyema they are told. Dyema can't go back and Moby. And not no do Dyema shop. All them blood clot, yeah. What me next phone there? Must show all the people them wicked. And the girl sit down and must show her so people stay and take up things. The girl don't know me, you know. And the girl sit down in the box are I don't know where we put on the people them head, you know. And the girl I said, no, don't me shy energy them. You see the lion energy them. Let me tell me know it's TikTok people. You see people that tell lie and behave like the innocent over here, and them they lie. You see we were brawling. I'm making know we lie story, we facts, and we truth. I want to stop comment if one of me chat and leave no man for me black, you know. You can have my comment section. You see when the people approach you, they lie them in their head. The people them sit down, you know. Thank you, my baby. How that? Thank you, baby. Thank you very much, darling. Thank you very much, darling. I'm going to show you how they hate me and bad mind me and deal with you some way over your chat. See, the people them sit down and listen, you know, the girl going in the box, you know, the girl don't know me, you know. And the girl in the box, a 3 months now, them I run for a mob here. 3 months now, them I run for a mob here. And nobody, no stop me do I shop nothing. I broke them broke, look here, how are this? I know me shot this. I know me shot this. I know me shot this with the whole like something them went up a ground. And then shot this. And then shot this. And then shot this with something them went up a ground. And then shot this whole like something them mother went up a ground. I wanna sit down, you know. I wanna portray your lie, you know. I wanna sit down, you know. And if idiot people you know, sit down, I believe on you know. I believe on you know. I wanna depend Dyema already, man, be to Airbnb because a man want to kill Dyema and all this foolishness there. And the people them sit down over here and I believe on you know, youth. The people them sit down and believe on you know, youth. Sometimes I don't want to prove nothing in a youth. But due to all the lie, bro. More I have to just prove things, man. Figure it out, tired because Mr. Dyema, you love proof too much. But something you have to shut up the haters, them, bro. Them people you tell peer life on your brother. Enough time figure it was a Dyema stop proof things. Me I say, Jay, me have to prove sometime. Cause look how they sit down and I tell the people them say me running for a mob here. And me can't go back on my yard. And oh no do me shop. Start me do shop, man, people broke me shop. And the girl in the box confident, you know. When me say confident, the big pussy girl in the box confident. So the girl in the box confident, the girl in the box confident. Well confident in the box, bro. Well confident, the girl in the box confident. Well confident, brother. Well confident, brother. And the people them in the comment section, yes, the old girl can go back and mob here. And them believe, you know. When me say them believe, it means that people them believe and I be like content. Every content creator they build video with you and nothing no go so, bro. Nothing no go so. So imagine the amount of lie they tell for others. Look here. Look at this dirty one here. Pan is Mr. Sky shoot on this dirty one here. He go and cry. So the woman sit down in the box. Hear the woman? Hear the girl? Hear the girl?
I'm in no position for sure. Nobody.
Hear the girl?
Me I hear Saji, me I hear I'm a believe you. God damn, they are tone too long.
Hear the?
Saji, you know say over 3 months now, damn they are tone.
Hear the?
You know hear them he must say, you know hear what the Akim he must say, them not to go get serious. So I don't think this.
Hear the girl? You hear the girl? Hear the girl? Who them Saji I want it? Hear the girl? Me believe you. Because over 3 months now, Dyema they are town. And them are convince the people I'm in that. And the girl know me for nowhere, you know? Nowhere the girl know me for more than blood clot wicked and lie over here. Them people will give you a basket to carry water and kill you. Oh, I know how them feel. How them feel when they make it. They not feel no way. They not feel no way. They not feel no way trendy. They not feel Because liar than content. They don't feel no way. They don't feel no way. And they just want to fuck up people's life. And tell life on people. They don't feel no way. They look like them feel a way to you. They don't feel no way. No way they don't feel. Them just want to fuck up your life. And tell life on you. That's all they want to do. Fuck up your life and tell life on you. That's all. Fuck up your life and tell life on you. And you know what I notice over here? The people them like the fake people. You see, you see like all me, Rose that come out brawling and chatting business, and me that come out brawling and chatting business and hate we. They say we disgusting. And the people them over here we faking and I tell be life things, you know. And them the people that they like, you know, bro. And them the people that they like. We come with them manipulating self and go and let them as somebody. I just show more why I don't want to go in a Rose business, you know. I show me don't want to go in a Rose business. I don't really want business in Rose and in baby father. I tell you no play and straight. Because you see baby mother and baby father, you can't really go in them argument. Because you see to me, baby mother and baby father never left yet. That's why sometimes I don't go in it and contact me just leave it. I don't go in them business. I don't go in them business, brother. I just not go in it. Because to me, for me know myself till now, I know if me think wrong. I just think baby mother and baby father never left. No care what kind of journey they go through, them just go always have a band together. So that's why you see me not, that's why you see me not really go in a Rose and in baby father argument. Because me there's enough things I could have said, you know. I just leave it. Because you never know what tomorrow may brings. You never know what tomorrow will wake up a Rose and blood clot in baby father that together back in a one house together. And then whole family. Remember they have two youth together. That's why I'm not going to them business party. And I like say sometimes I can't say nothing to people that say me this and me that time. Me just don't want to go in night, brother. Because you can't wake up tomorrow morning, brother. And I two of them that's in a one house hands in hands. Me not really going to baby father and baby mother argument. And family drama, me not really going on either. Because already your family them good on Emmanuel go broke Rockstone. You go always be family. I say certain things me not going and me not dip up my mouth in a bro. That's why I dip up my mouth in certain things, bro. You never know what tomorrow may brings. I tell you. Me going to dip up in night and now, and I cuss this and I cuss and when I look at two of them. Me not dip up in night, brother. Me not dip up in night. All if me and my friend, me tell you how me stay. If me and my friend and him and a blood clot war, me dey help him class out the man blood clot. And if him want to go back tomorrow morning to the man, I don't care. But me know me I help class him. I don't busy if I don't want to fuck up a morning. I just help a class. But I don't care if I don't want to go back to fuck. Because regular the whole of we so we done with man. And regular the whole of we so we done with man. How we take God off of the blood clot cross. How we kill Satan. How we bring him back. How we look at we are the same blood clot man. We draw with you hell and powder house. We pull you over grave. We class we disrespect we. We not look at we and them. And one time we take God off of the cross. We beat down God and take God off of the cross. We take God off and throne so we now go back. We done with this, with that. In both ways, the man them say the same thing to do, man. We don't look at we. We don't look at we that. Nobody is perfect. You don't know what tomorrow may brings. That's why I don't love deep up in a people tour and people argument. I don't love deep up in a people argument. That's why sometimes when I see man that show me and I call me name, I just ignore him sometimes and I pay him no mind. I just don't want to argue with him. I don't answer, I can't answer him. I just feel like we argue with him. Because in my mind, although him have Rose good on Emmanuel Road, go Rockstone, in my mind, I'm a friend baby father. I don't really want good on that journey with him. You know, I just avoid him pussy hole. So I'm not going to them business sometime. Nobody knows where tomorrow may bring. Nobody knows. All of my blood clot, the pan up all one day I know no shame no blood clot. You know see one video pop up when you look at blood clot Rose and him baby father that hands in hands down the blood clot aisle. And the whole of no shame and gonna am shit.